Hi, good morning. This is the last day duty of me here in Tibud sa Katibukasan Multipurpose Cooperative at Ligo Plan. Since wala na pong isda, so we will transfer to Century Plant Pacific Food Incorporated. So, I hope new friends, new colleagues, and no more plastic persons to be found. Good luck to us and may God will bless us kung saan man tayo ilagay or saan tayo mapunta. Sana gagawin niya tayo sa magandang biyaya ng langit. We love you. Goodbye.